today the correct scores from the hacked app is what I'm going to give you, and these correct scores, they are the multi-correct scores and the half-time, full-time correct scores that I'm going to give you from the hacked app. And one thing I want you to know is that these multi-correct scores from the hacked app are predictions from the hacked app, okay? And before you have access to the correct scores from the hacked app, unless you pay for the subscriptions, okay, that is the 1 month, the 3 months, and the 6 months, which requires huge sums of money. And I've been able to purchase for us to get something from it, so as to know how these multi-correct scores are going to bless us for today. As I always say, if I give out the multi-correct scores, you can do your changes to it. If you don't want the correct scores, you can just use the predicted correct scores to have your own stake or your own predictions, okay? Like for instance, if they predicted 1-1 on a particular match, you can choose to make it like draw, full-time draw, if you don't like correct scores. So without wasting my time, let me quickly take you to my phone to show you the predicted multi-correct scores from the hacked app, which you can use to generate something cool for the day. Now let's get into the multi-correct scores from the hacked app. So the first multi-correct score predictions from the hacked app is the match between Tabora United and Tanzania Prisons. This match, you can see it at the Tanzania League, and they tipped 0-0 or 1-1 in the full match, okay? The second is the same Tanzania League. They tipped Mashujaa versus Mbeya City, and they tipped 0-0 or 1-1 in the full match. The third is Olympiacos versus Astrometros, and this is the match at the Greece Super League, and this match they tipped 2-0, 3-0 or 4-0 in favor of Olympiacos, okay, which is given an odd of 7.15. Also, the match between Farco and Ceramica, this can be found at the Egyptian League, and they tipped 0-0 or 1-1 in the full match. The same Egyptian League, they tipped El Gaish versus Empire 0-0 or 1-1 in the full match. And also Modern Sports versus National Bank under the same Egypt League, they tipped 0-0 or 1-1, giving an odd of 7.2. Also, the match between Fiorentina and Juventus, they tipped 0-0 or 1-0 in favor of Juventus. The match between Barcelona and that of the Athletic Bilbao, they tipped 2-1 or 3-1 in favor of Barcelona. So these are the multi-correct scores predictions from the hacked app, which you can use to do your selections and know how you can earn something cool from this correct scores. Okay, one thing I want you to know is that these multi-correct scores from the hacked app are predictions from the hacked app, but before you have access to these multi-correct scores, unless you pay for subscriptions, and I have paid for the subscription, as I have, you know what I've done to get these correct scores, and I'm giving it out to you. So make sure you try a luck on it to see how these correct scores are going to bless us for the day. As I always say, you can make changes to it by doing your own predictions from these correct scores. So the ones that you see as full-time draws, that is the 0-0s and the 1-1s, you can make it full-time draw. The one that you see to be 2-0, 3-0, 4-0, you can make it straight in for that particular thing. And you can even go for the overs and unders based on the predictions from the hacked app, okay? And if I first time watching content from this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel and turn on notification bell so that anytime I drop new video concerning content like this, you are going to get it. Like this video, so do not forget to share this video to your friends so as to benefit from this video. And as a disclaimer, I disclaim that I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm showing you how I make money through staking. So therefore, I am not responsible for any profit or loss through this particular video. Make sure you do your own research, and remember, you should be 18 years and above before you can try to go into staking, okay? Here's the Talk Tech, and in the next video, I'm going to give you the 10 strong and solid odds from the hacked app, which you can use it to generate something cool for the day, which can be seen in the next video. Greetings once again.